Hey everybody, welcome back to my Python 3 for Beginners tutorial series. In this video, I'm going to kind of elaborate a little more on modules. I showed you how to create a module, but now I'm going to show you where in PyCharm you can get modules that have already been created that will allow you to do different things. So, if you go to File and you go to Settings, you're going to see a screen like this come up. And you're going to see where it says Project 1 right here. If you click that arrow there, it's going to bring a drop-down menu here. And you can go to Project Interpreter. And when you do that, you're going to see where it says Package, Version, Latest. So it'll tell you if you're up to date or not. Like Setup Tools isn't up to date for me if I wanted to update it. But what I'm going to show you here is how to add a module to PyCharm if you wanted to. So all you would have to do is click this plus, and you're going to see this screen come up, and these are all modules that you can get. So for instance, if I wanted to go up here and look at one for Facebook, let's say, they have several ones for that, and I could go here and I could do I can just click on that one. It says no information available. But if I wanted to go to let's say the web bot here, it says a Python library to automatize Facebook without the official API. It'll give you the version, and it'll give you the author, and it even gives you some contact information, and here there's a specific link to it. So if I wanted to install that package, then all I would have to do is go down here and click this install package button. As you can see, there is a lot of modules already available. So this is why before you go and write a whole lot of code, you want to check and see if a module already exists for what you want to do. Like for instance, there's more if you wanted to do something with Facebook. I think I just saw some more Facebook modules here. Let me see, Facebook, where is it? Yep, right here. So like Facebook Online Friend Tracker, it says this tool tracks the number of online friends a user has on Facebook at any given time. It's on version 2.0.1, and the author is Bara Hamodi. I believe that's how their name is said. If it's wrong, I apologize. And again, here is an email link and a link to GitHub for the module. And again, all you would have to do is highlight whichever one you want and install it. And you can install multiple packages. You don't have to install just one per project. You can install however many you would like. Alright, so that is how you can get modules that have already been created that will help you do things that will save you a lot of time and effort from having to write a bunch of extra code. Alright, I hope this helps, and I'll see you in the next video.